Hey guys, I'm here to put together a mustache sliding card with you. A little early for Father's Day, but if you want to get ahead on things, this might be a fun project, or to some guy that you love, or heck, to some girl that you love. That's great too. Whatever works for you. Okay, so this has a few pieces, and you can see that I've already stick glued down my mustaches to this little shadow box card situation I've got going here. So why don't I show you a couple different things. First of all, this is the main sliding bit, and if you fold it like so, you can see that it then puts together right here on the back side. Let's see if I can show you guys without breaking it. So that little tab will go right in there, okay? And by the way, if you are looking to get this file for free, I sent it to my Silhouette VIP folks this morning. So if you would like to join the Silhouette VIP, all you have to do is go click on my profile or go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I send freebies every single week because I want you guys to be able to make stuff for free, because why not? Okay, so this is what we are building our shadow box on right here, but we do need to put some bits on. Well, actually, I think I don't put a bit on the back. Instead, these two pieces right here go on the back of this. So you see this little piece right here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead. Let's make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to glue this piece up here. And I'm going to glue this piece right here. Okay. And then on the back side is where we're going to work on this. Now, if you wanted to put a white piece here at the bottom, you absolutely could. But I am not going to. In fact, what I'm going to do is go ahead and just start pop dotting. So I'm going to use my little pop dots, and I'm going to start with the bottom level here, because this level will go onto this level. And I'm going to use the biggest pop dots I have, which, you guys, I'm down to the tiny ones, which is fine, but it just means I have to use a few more to make it all situate. And I try really hard when I'm doing my pop dots to layer them in the same places, because it's just a little more stable. So I'm gonna put them here. I'm just gonna do 6 today. If you wanna do more, it will be substantially more stable than the way I'm building these here. So you just pop that into place. Squish those pop dots down so that they work really great. And then next one up, we're gonna put them also. Let's see, and move this back so you guys can see a little bit better. And I'm gonna do 6 again on this one. Okay, and then we're just gonna layer that right here. Okay, second layer done, and last layer, we needed these skinny dots anyway, because the lining on the outside is actually pretty small. You guys, how adorable is that? Is that not so cute? I do have one other piece here, and this is your actual card part. So this one attaches to this. So if you fold this just like this, okay, it creates the sliding piece. And you guys, I just realized this is the sliding piece, and this piece should have been attached to this. You guys, I made a mistake, but this is the other reason I love Pop Dots. Just pull it off. No big deal. Clearly, it's been a while since I've made a sliding card. Okay, I just popped it off. Those of you who have made my sliding cards or have watched my sliding card videos before were like, what is she doing? Okay, so it goes to this piece. No biggie. So this is the sliding piece. And you're gonna glue this piece together and it slides on this piece, you guys. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna lay it in like this, okay? And I'm just going to fold this over and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue the card in place on it, just because it's easier. But then I remembered that when we've made these in the past, our family, so that slides like this, right? So you've got this really fun sliding bit. That we would put the note on this. So it was like this secret message. You would put the note inside here and then you could close it up like this. Okay, how adorable is that guy? I love it so much, so cute. And you can see where the Pop Dots can save you if you make a mistake like I just made and put it on the wrong piece. So I hope you enjoy making that. Make sure to join my VIP group if you would like to get free files every week, and I'll see you guys soon.